Hey, May the 30th, 2024, Thursday afternoon. I don't know, close to 5 o'clock. We're going to do a review of this Mother's Bead Booster Ceramic Detailer. We've been using this turtle wax hybrid, but I couldn't find it. So we're going to use the Mother's Ceramic Detailer Hybrid. See how we like it. I also use it on the windshields. It helps the windshields, keeps them clean longer, and it sort of fills in a little bit of impurities until it gets washed off. But let's get that done. We're going to spray it on and wipe it off. Okay, we sprayed it on. It's cool here in the shade. And I think I read the directions correctly. You don't do a normal circular rotation. You wipe it like this. I may be telling you wrong. Y'all read the instructions. Don't pay any attention to me. Cover it good. We're going to let it sit a minute. Come back and sort of buff it. We may put another coat on it. I don't know. We'll see. Itch. If we get that other van, it's got a good fender, I think. That's all that's wrong with this one, but we might be swapping the fender out. I don't know yet. He didn't want to come off the price any. He'd got a sign that says, or best offer, $12.50 or best offer. Then he says, well, I'm not taking any less than that. Oh, why didn't you put it on there firm, $12.50 firm then, jackwig? Okay, yeah, it's got a good grill. Pretty good rear bumper. The front bumper is tore up. It's got a good back door back there that we could use instead of ours. It'd have to be painted. Somebody has messed up the paint, but that way it doesn't have this. It's in pretty rough shape. It did crank and run. I don't know. I hate giving him that much for it, not knowing any more about it. It's got 350,000 miles on it, but it is a G30 or 3500. This is a 2500. It's a 3500. It's a ton vehicle. So we'll see if we get it. If we do, we'll start doing some videos with it. Okay, let's mess with this thing a little more. I don't know that I can tell any difference. Both of them seem to do a good job. I paid, I think, $16 for that turtle wax about 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago. This one, this Mother's, was $20 today with COVID. So I wonder it wasn't more than that. But I really like this ceramic wax and detailer. I really, really like it. And like I say, I think this is the way to go. Either pretty much any of them, McGuire's, any of them, I think are going to give you a real good service. So let's finish buffing this out, and this will be a wrap. We'll get this uploaded, and this will be a review for today. We'll have a fishing video. We'll have, I don't know if I'll get it up today. We'll have a repair video on here. Getting the connections cleaned up where it would crank. You got a driving in Sandy Creek Park video. We're going to have an Insta360 review and video, but probably not today. Anyway, let's wrap this up.